Dear students, our health services manager and staff have received a few reports this past week of students testing positive for COVID-19 after having a possible exposure to COVID-19 that was never reported to us. Please understand that you put the safety of your classmates and the entire university community at risk if and when you do not follow the guidance of the public health experts. We are still in the midst of the global pandemic, and we need your help and compliance now more than ever. Hamilton County remains purple, the highest risk level in the state of Ohio. In addition, there are increased concerns over a UK strain of COVID that has a greater risk of transmission. It is so important to not let our guard down. We need to keep using our masks, practice social distancing, and use good hand hygiene practices to be as safe as possible. The bottom line is this: if you have any exposure to COVID-19 or might have had an exposure to COVID-19, you may not come to campus. If you are unsure whether or not you've been exposed to COVID-19, report it to the health services and discuss the situation to take proper precautions. If you know you have been exposed to COVID-19, report it to health services. If you have symptoms of COVID-19, report it to health services. Please do not take matters into your own hands and try to get tested out of quarantine. That is not how the guidelines are written. Our MSJ COVID-19 policy requires students to report to Amy Demko, Health Services Manager. The mandatory report for exposure, symptoms, and diagnosis of COVID-19 is on my mount, and you can see it listed below. The safety guidelines that all university students are required to follow are also on my mount, listed below. Please read them. Our health services staff cannot prevent major outbreaks on campus without everyone's cooperation and proactive behavior. The staff has worked incredibly hard. We know that now is not the time to let our guard down. We are asking for your help. Please share this information with others so we can keep our campus safe. Thank you, and be well.